circle? Try a canter circle at the top end. Easy. Easy. Look around. Pick up your hands. Pick up your hands. Yeah, you tried to pull them off the wall, eh? Sit up for the trot because you're on the wrong lead now. Half halt. Heels, heels, heels. Okay, you're on the correct lead now. When you're doing your turn, just elevate this inside hand a bit. Outside leg stays back. It's okay. Close your legs, close your legs, close your legs, close your legs, Bouncy McGee. Turn. It's okay. That's all right. Think ahead, honey, okay? Plan a circle. Where are you going to go? Have a plan. Look further into your plan. Pick up your hands. Think halt to turn. Okay, easy with your whip. Okay, and just trot, both of you. Trot. Post your trot. Close your legs. Close your legs. Yeah.